Ha? Oh. Fine, Mom. Take it. It's warm here. Down here. Down. Relax. Yep. I'll go like this. Nice, ha? Terence. Don't get me. Yeah, Kuya is here. This is our spot. We are having a bonfire. Joshua. Joshua. Andrew, come here. You see with grandma here. Joshua, grandma? Huh? For the fire? Home? Home? Fire? Good. Just a little bit.